Hey guys, it's Kimball again, and I just got done watching the video The Pale Blue Dot, and it was a really cool video to watch. I really loved the poetry in it and the music. It really just helped me appreciate the earth even more, and so it just kind of stuck out to me as what is truly important about the earth. And so that was cool to kind of learn about that, but I just want to kind of talk about how relates to our class and to the environment and geological disasters. So the first way I found is that the video really talked about how Earth is home to us, but not only to us, but to those that we love, and to like our family members, our friends, even those that we go to class with, even those that we interact with on a daily basis, and how important that is, because those people are important to us in our lives, and the Earth allows those people to be in our lives. I think that's pretty cool. And then after that, it kind of just talked about how we as human beings and man have always tried to conquer this small part of the universe, I guess. And it was just cool because it talked about how small we are in comparison to everything else, and how we've always tried to conquer the earth. And through that, sometimes we don't always do the best job of taking care of it either. And that's pretty sad sometimes because, like, as you can see through these pictures, people go through heck and back in war, and it can destroy the earth too, not just us as people, but the earth itself. And then I liked how it talked about how earth is our home and how important earth really is, and how in the whole universe right now, earth is the only place that we know of that has life, that lives on it. And when we don't necessarily take the best care of the earth, it's kind of scary to think about because that's all we have that we know of at this point. And we've searched far and wide, and that's all we can find at this point. And so it's just important to remember to take care of the earth. And then the last part that I really found from the video is just how it talked about how we should work together and just help the earth in any way that we can, and how we should be doing our part to truly take care of it, because even though there are wars and stuff, we still have our families and our friends and ourselves that live on this planet, and that we really just need to work together to be able to fix that and to make the earth the best that we can. But that's what I got from the video. I really enjoyed it. I think it was super cool and super informative. I have heard that poem before, but never in that way before, and with that music behind it and making it that much more powerful. But I hope you guys are having a great week and that your class is going well for everyone. Thanks, guys.